Hi everybody, it's me again, Mom Knows Treasures, Yvonne. I have so many unboxings to do. I have a lot of packages that I haven't opened. I've been busy trying to sell my stuff on eBay and trying to list. I'm trying to get to 1,000 listings, but hey, I'm getting ready for bed and I wanted to show my shirt that I just got from Cali reseller Luis Frankenstein. Perfect for this week because it was Frankenstein Day this past week. But anyways, I have a box that I just got from Cali reseller Luis. He doesn't live too far. He lives in California, and when I order something on a Tuesday night, I get it by Thursday. He's really good about shipping fast. So without further ado, let's unbox this. So the box is nice. I cut it with a knife. He always includes a lot of bubble tape. Cool. Wow. These are 2 bags that I purchased. I really shouldn't open these because they might get dirty, but I'm going to have to open them to list them for sale. Or I might keep. They're nice shopping bags, and they're from the Disney Pride collection. So those will be nice for somebody that's celebrating Pride or for Pride Month. Somebody that's supporting a family member or a friend or themselves. So this is a brand new with tags Disney Pride collection Mickey Mouse bag. The handles are inside and it's stapled shut, so I'm not going to show the handles, but as you can see, Mickey is rainbow guy. And then I got a lot of shirts. He usually sells individual shirts, like I got this shirt, the Frankenstein shirt, individual, but this Tuesday he ended up selling a lot of shirts. And I don't remember what sizes they are. Hopefully I got a couple extra larges, but they might be all mediums. Okay. This is a medium Kenny Chesney 2007 almost vintage concert shirt. And as you can see, he folds up his shirts very nicely. This is just a regular t-shirt, but it is polo. This looks really small, like okay, so this is a kid's medium 10 to 12 polo shirt. Ooh. I'm excited about this one. This brings back memories of when my kids were little. This is a cool retro Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles shirt. And this is a medium, adult medium. I should probably send this to Donatella Bartolino, huh? Because she loves disco. Okay, this is a medium, but it's basically a souvenir shirt from the Ultimate Disco Cruise, Casey and the Sunshine Band, Kool and the Gang, the Spinners, Gloria Gaynor, Village People, etc., etc. And this isn't vintage. It is a medium, and it's from, I believe it was from 2019. Did I say that? Yeah, 2019. So far I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Another great thing about Luis is that he doesn't charge shipping. You could buy one lot, you could buy 100 lots. It's all the same. His price includes the shipping. This is a nice one. Look at how cool that is. People that like guns and blonde bottom shells. This is a Battlefield Vegas, size medium. This is a medium. And this is Dog Days. It's a big medium. And last but not least, this Sturgis, South Dakota 2011 Black Hills Rally. There's a front hit, as he says, and a back hit. And this is medium. So these were all medium shirts. I will probably be listing them